Happy Monday. It's your girl Shalae, and today we're going to be talking about 5 legitimate websites that you can find work at home jobs. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, a lot of times on this channel I talk about deals, clearance sales, shopping, you name it, we find it, we talk about it here, okay? However, a lot of my subscribers know that I work from home, and that's how I'm able to show a lot of these deals because I have a pretty flexible schedule. So with that being said, for those that are interested in working from home, because we all know the type of times that we're about to go through or what we're in right now with this pandemic, if you just want to supplement or add some extra income, stay tuned. I gotcha. Okay. All right, so guys, the first website that I am going to suggest is going to be the WAHA Job Clean. I know. I'll go ahead and put it down here so you can see it. It stands for the Work at Home Job Queen. I absolutely love this site. The site is run by a girl by the name of Tawana, and she does stay here in Alabama. We are not friends. I've never met her. However, what I do love about her site is she updates the site daily. Absolutely every day you can find a different lead, different companies that are hiring. Now, one thing I will say about her site is this: there's no bells and whistles or anything spectacular about the website. It just gives you the meat and potatoes. That means you go on there, she will post each job that day. When it comes to working from home and you see these leads for these jobs, you have to take advantage of it, meaning you need to apply right then and there. You need to kind of submit for all the jobs that you do qualify for. So this is not the time that you go and you be like, oh, I'll think about it, I'll apply for it tomorrow. No, it does not work like that. You actually need to literally run and start typing in and putting in your information, because the actual pool of applicants is so many people, okay? So her website, daily leads, not only daily leads, legitimate leads. They do not ask you to pay for anything. So if a website says, hey, you have to pay like for your background check, or you have to pay for your equipment, a lot of the jobs that she posts, they do not require you to pay anything, and I do not suggest that you pay anything at all, okay? So that is going to be the first website, the WAH Job Queen. The second website we're going to talk about is going to be Facebook. I know you're like, what girl, what, Facebook? Guys, listen to me, okay? I know we're used to using Facebook as that connection with our old buddies, you know, your boyfriend from 1967. Hey, how you doing? You want to keep up with your relatives. Facebook is actually a great tool to be utilized when you're looking for a job. Now on Facebook, they have a lot of work at home job communities. And so one of them that I'm going to suggest to you is called the Work at Home Community Lounge. It is over 53,000 people in that community. You don't have to join at all. There, like I said, if you go on Facebook, type in search work at home jobs, you will see there are so many communities you can choose from. You want to join these communities, and that is because the communities will also post in their leads. Now, a lot of time a lead is pretty much, they will post the jobs that are hiring, okay? When people post that, hey, this job is hiring, then what you can do is you click the link, you apply for the job, but it may be their special link. So it's kind of like, you know, if I refer you from my job, and if I say, hey, you know what, hey Letitia, I'm going to put you down, or put me down as a reference, I'm going to give you my link. You click my link and it kind of shows up that, hey, this is a person that I referred. So a lot of times when they post those leads, they come from people that already work for the company. You have a better chance of getting hired, and even sometimes it may be internal postings that they have not posted to the public that only these people know about. So that's why I say join Facebook just for the community of the work at home. So don't necessarily look at it as you know, like, oh my gosh, I don't want people to know. No, you want to make friends with these people. You want to kind of know what's going on, because a lot of times what they say is not it's not what you know, but who you know. And if you know someone, you're a step ahead of the game, right? Okay. Excuse me. Moving along to number 3 is going to be Indeed.com. Now, I'm not going to go too far into details with Indeed.com. you already know, you can go on Google, you can type in work at home jobs, you can type in virtual jobs, you can type in remote jobs. A lot of times what I love about Indeed, it will go ahead and give you a list of work at home jobs that's not only in your area, but also it'll just give you the work at home jobs that are nationally. Now, a lot of times I do not apply on the Indeed website. I'll go there and see if they have different places that are hiring. I will go, and so if they say, just say if Enterprise is hiring for customer service representatives, then I will go to the Enterprise website and see if I can find that same job description or apply on the Enterprise website. So I do not suggest that you apply on Indeed.com, or even, I mean, you could submit your resume up there or upload it on the website, because they'll send you different leads or different jobs that they feel that you qualify for. But I would suggest that you actually just use it for a resource. You go on there and see what jobs are hiring, and then you go to the job website and really see, do you qualify or do you meet the parameters that they're asking for in the job description. So Indeed.com. And then last but not least, I am going to suggest LinkedIn. Now, I am not on LinkedIn. I have a lot of friends that are on LinkedIn, but of course on LinkedIn they have like the recruiters, or they're called headhunters. So you have headhunters, recruiters, and the recruiters will actively search for you. So I have a few friends that are in the work at home community with me, and they put their resume on Indeed.com. And I know, like, one of my friends said that an Ulta recruiter reached out to her, where they were only paying $12 an hour at Ulta, and so she was like, no, because we make way more than that. So if you do go on there and upload your resume, of course you want to look for customer service or put your skill sets on there, and then they have the recruiters that actively try to engage or find you. So that's a great thing to be on LinkedIn. Now, just for a little I guess a little nugget, right now Williams-Sonoma is hiring. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Williams-Sonoma, but Williams-Sonoma is hiring. And then I also seen today that Amazon was hiring for customer service reps seasonal. Also, you have like the Home Shopping Network that also a lot of times they hire. I know Blue Cross Blue Shield, Apple. There's a lot of different places that you can find work at home jobs from. But I will tell you this, like, you have to be actively pursuing it, and you have to keep applying. I would say that you need to be applying for 7 to 10 applications per day. For those that want to know, how did I secure my work at home job? I was working for, my company is a corporate 500 company, and they decided that they wanted to close down their locations, and you had the opportunity to either take a severance package or you can work at home. So at that time, I decided that, yeah, I could take the severance and go find another job, or I can try to work at home. I had never worked at home in my life, and I started working at home, and I absolutely enjoy it. Now, I will say at the beginning, I was not a fan of it, but now as time has went by, I'm able to do a lot of things from my home, and now it makes me want to get out of my home because I'm in my home so much. So these are the top websites that I would suggest for someone that wants to start work at home jobs. Look on there, but really honestly, guys, if you don't take away anything else from this video, go on Facebook, join the work at home community, sign up for each and every one of them, and really try to make those connections with the people that's in those communities, because you have a better chance of getting hired going that route, because they already work for the company, or they're looking for people to join their team, or they're doing different things. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments down below, what did you think about this video? I can come back and do more work at home videos, as far as like, what do you need, the setup, the connections, high-speed internet. There's a lot of things behind the scenes that goes with it. Some companies want you to have your own space or an individual room that is dedicated for that. Some companies don't mind. Some companies want you to have a certain computer. Some companies provide it. So there's a lot of different things behind the scenes for working at home. But if you have those questions, drop them down below. Check out WAH Job Queen. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I will talk to you later. I hope you guys are being blessed, and thank you so much for tuning into this video. We will get through this, okay? Talk to you later. Bye.